J.K. Rowling was sitting on a train traveling from Manchester to London's King's Cross station. As she looked out of the window, the idea of a boy going to a wizarding school struck her. And soon the passing clouds and the fluttering trees outside brought to her mind the image of a castle. And this castle, she thought, would house all the wizarding kids. Then she began to imagine how the kids would get to this school, the Hogwarts School. They had to get there on a train, of course. And thus was born the Hogwarts Express. And then her mind raced to finding 3 characters sitting together on the train: Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, and Harry Potter. And thus was born the Harry Potter book series. Hi there, you're listening to What's New Today. This is a kids and family podcast channel. This is your host Sangeeta from India. As part of our monthly book review, a group of kids got together recently to review the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. And the first question we asked them was, which house in Hogwarts would you like to be sorted into?
Hi, I'm Prakriti Badlani and I live in Mumbai. I'm 10 years old and the house I would like to be in is Gryffindor.
I am Dhruv Agarwala. I am from class 6. I am 10 years old. I would like to be in Ravenclaw house.
My name is Dash. I am 10 years old. I'm in 5th standard. I am in Ravenclaw. I live in Chennai.
Hello, my name is Aditi. I'm currently in 7th grade and I am 12 years old, and the house that I would like to be in is Ravenclaw.
Hi, my name is Via and I am from Mumbai. The house I would like to be in is Gryffindor. I am 10 years old.
Hello, I am Rishi Chaudhary. I am 10 years old. I live in Mumbai. The house that I would like to be in is Gryffindor.
Hi, I'm Rushil Anjan. I'm 10 years old. I live in Mumbai and the house which I would like to be in is Gryffindor.
Hi, I'm Radhan Shukal. I live in Delhi and I'm 13 years old and I'm currently in grade 8. I would like to be in the Gryffindor house.
There are no Slytherin takers for now, so far.
Hi, I'm Kiyansh. I study in 6th grade. I live in Mumbai and I like to belong to Gryffindor house.
My name is Pravit. I live in Mumbai and I am 10 years old. I would like to be in Gryffindor house.
Hi, I'm Naira, a 10-year-old from Mumbai. I study in grade 4 and I would like to be in Gryffindor house.
Hi, I am Devan Bhurnagarwala. I am 10 years old and I am in grade 5. I live in Kolkata and I am in Gryffindor.
Hello, I am Smyan Shetty. I live in Mumbai. I am in 5th grade. My favorite house is Gryffindor.
Why is it that none of you has chosen Hufflepuff?
They are not really present in the series.
They don't have any special quality.
Hufflepuffs do have a special quality. They're hardworking.
That is not a proper special quality, because the Gryffindors are sorted according to their braveness and the Ravenclaws are
Smartness.
yeah. And Slytherin basically nothing.
Hufflepuff is not really popular in the series.
It looks like nobody here has read about Cedric Diggory.
Ma'am, Slytherin takes people who are purebloods.
So you're saying none of you has opted for Slytherin because none of you is so far a pureblood?
No, not like that. Everybody is not taking Slytherin because Voldemort was in that house.
Oh, you're steering clear of evil. Okay, any other reasons why none of you has chosen Slytherin?
And Miss, they are also cunning, and Draco was very rude to Harry and his friends.
Miss, only because of Draco Malfoy.
Ma'am, the reason I think that why people hasn't chosen Hufflepuff, because in the second book when the Basilisk attacks one of the Hufflepuff, students, they are like very judgmental, and they, you know, accuse Harry of being the master of the Chamber of the Secrets. So I don't really like that about Hufflepuff, so I didn't really choose that.
This what Aditi said is wrong, because almost everybody has accused Harry, including Peeves also.
They have a grudge against Harry. The other houses don't have a grudge.
And just one part was about Slytherins only choosing pure bloods. Voldemort was not a pure blood. His father, Tom Riddle, was a muggle.
I think no one chose Hufflepuff house because, as Ron describes them, they are a load of duffers.
All right, I'm going to set this debate to rest for a minute by asking all of you a question. You know how each one of these houses have been described by the Sorting Hat in the very first book, right? So J.K. Rowling was asked the question. J.K. Rowling is the author of the book series. So she was asked this question: if she had to be in one of the 4 houses, which house would she choose? What do you think J.K. Rowling answered?
I know. This is a twist
Gryffindor.
question. This is a twist question.
This is a twist question. Okay, but tell me what you felt. What you feel.
But I don't know.
Hufflepuff.
Gryffindor.
Someone said Slytherin. Who is that? Yes, Via. Why do you think J.K. Rowling would have wanted to be in Slytherin?
Because some people like Slytherin.
She probably chose Slytherin because maybe like other Harry Potter fans, many people would like to have a villain arc, and many people that have graduated from Slytherin have gotten a villain arc. For example, Voldemort, one of the biggest villains in Harry Potter series itself. So who knows? Maybe she liked Voldemort indirectly, so that's why she prefers Slytherin.
Hold. Anybody else who said she would have chosen Gryffindor? Can you tell me why she may have chosen Gryffindor?
Because the main characters are in Gryffindor,
Yes.
and like if she's writing a story about Harry Potter, then obviously she would be in Gryffindor. Like she would at least relate with some of Gryffindor traits, I feel.
Naira, why did you think she was going to opt to be in Hufflepuff?
So, miss, because Hufflepuff is not really described in the book, and it was like kind of an unseen hero. So, I think J.K. Rowling would opt for Hufflepuff because, like, she might have been like the unseen hero of the book.
Ooh, okay. All right, the correct answer is, she said if she had a choice, she would have preferred to be in Hufflepuff because she is kind and hardworking. She's of course brilliant, which would put her in Ravenclaw, because if she hadn't been brilliant, she couldn't have written the book series. She would have had to be really brave at heart because there were a lot of issues, a lot of challenges she faced along the way when she was writing the book. And let's hear what J.K. Rowling herself had to say about this.
In many, many ways, Hufflepuff is my favourite house. Here's my reasoning, bear with me. There comes a point in the final book where each house has the choice whether or not to rise to a certain challenge. The Slytherins, for reasons that are understandable, decide they'd rather not play. The Ravenclaws, some decide they will, some decide they won't. The Hufflepuffs, virtually to a person, stay, as do the Gryffindors. You know, there's bravery and there's also showboating, and sometimes the two go together. The Hufflepuffs stayed for a different reason. They weren't trying to show off, they weren't being reckless. That's the essence of Hufflepuff House.
Now, a question for all of our listeners. After having heard what J.K. Rowling herself had to say about the various houses, which house would you like to belong to? If you're listening to this on YouTube or Spotify, you can leave your response via comments below, or you can email me at hello@wsnt.in. And if any of our young listeners would like to be a part of our book review club, you can register using the link I'm leaving in the show notes below. Thank you and see you in the next episode.